I had a request to have a look inside one of the mini induction heaters. This one is an actual, oh, I want to say actual, but I mean they're all made in China. This one was bought in the UK and cost hundreds and twice as much as I paid for the last one, and it stopped working. It died horribly. Actually, technically it's still dead, but we will take it to bits and have a closer look at its internals. The first thing this has got, which the Chinese one doesn't have, is this block which is on the plug. That's the main AC line in on this side, and then it goes into, is that a suppressor cap? That little dark one in there? A little dark one in there, and then there's a bigger cap and behind it a coil. Not sure what that is. And two of these, if you can see that upside down. There's another one of those over there. And then that power goes out and into the unit. Alright, let's get into the guts of her. So the main power comes in here. That's just a little fan and that 12 volt in the back there. This was a fusible link there, which I'd absolutely fused when it failed. It's now a bit of wire. And if I was to plug this into the main just now and turn it on, it would instantly trip the circuit breaker, as there's a dead short on this board somewhere. And I don't know where. So, I know these are resistors. That's about the extent of my technical knowledge. To the top of this board. So this is the mini inductor MD800. Oh, 2011. That was a while ago. Now, this capacitor here had failed on mine, and I bought one that was trying to match this one under here. It looks like a diode pack to me. And I'll try and get into the numbers under there for you in a moment. So on the other side of this, well, I can guess this is a bridge rectifier. Heat sinks. Another resistor block. That's like a capacitor there. And this looks like the part of the main coil. And there's an LED on a power switch. Power switch attached to the board. I will take some pictures and put them on at the end of the video. Connected, and then two powers into your big heat sinks, which is where you connect the two coils into, or each half of the coil, sorry. What else is there? Not a lot else. A better shot of the back of that board. Get in behind that. I'll take some pictures and I'll put them up. If anyone's got any tips on how I can diagnose and perhaps even repair this induction heater, that would be most appreciated. Please leave them in the comments. Thank you.